Hi, I'd like to introduce Sarah McDaniel Valencia, Director of the Polarity Therapy Program at New Mexico Academy of Healing Arts.
And this is Amadea Morningstar. She's one of our beautiful faculty members here at the New Mexico Academy of Healing Arts.
And we're both delighted to be able to talk with you today because polarity therapy is really close to our hearts, and it's been something that we've both worked with for a really long time.
Polarity is a holistic modality that includes body work, but is not just body work. We also have a nutrition piece, as well as stretching postures, or sometimes called polarity yoga, and a communication or self-awareness piece. So we look at energy and energetic balances in all of these areas, and work with different pieces and different aspects of the individual to bring that individual back into balance and into harmony.
Yeah, I would say from the Ayurvedic point of view, polarity therapy works with 5 levels of being, or 5 koshas. So not only does it work with the physical body, as Sarah just said, but also our energetic awareness, our emotions, our intelligence, and also our spiritual selves. So when we put our hands different places on the body, it can touch more than just your body. It touches all of who you are. And that feels very exciting to me.
Okay, well, I just wanted to explain our 2 different programs. We have an RPP, which is a Registered Polarity Practitioner certification, and that is our full holistic comprehensive program, and that is over 600 hours. And it's also called the Somatic Polarity program on our website. And then we also have a shortened number of hours in our APP program, which is an Associate Polarity Practitioner designation. And that is 155 hours. And you get, it's more of an introductory course. It's often used in adjunct with other modalities, maybe something that you already do or that you plan to do. So if you wanted to start there and then continue on with the RPP, you could do that, or you could jump all in with the RPP program and get all of the yummy nutrition and stretching postures and communication and all of the advanced techniques of body work as well. In our RPP program, you really get exposure to all of the aspects of polarity therapy that we were just discussing. So it's more than just the somatic body work experience. And the somatic piece is that interconnection of the body, mind, and spirit, and finding balance between and how each influences the other. So really finding that holistic balance and making you a holistic practitioner.
Including communications.
Absolutely, absolutely. And what people say, their word choices, their body language, how they hold themselves, all of these things go into your ability to assess a client and then work with them on their energy and getting it back into balance.
Some of the neat things that research show is that polarity therapy positively impacts, it reduces fatigue, reduces pain, increases our ability to cope, reduces anxiety and depression, improves energy, has a positive effect on clients' health-related behaviors. That is to say, we're more likely to choose healthy lifestyle choices. And this has been shown in a variety of different ways. There's reduced fatigue during chemotherapy when people receive polarity therapy during chemo in several studies. Polarity therapy has been used with Native American caregivers to support them, and it's really improved their ability to cope. Also, there's been research from Dr. Leslie Korn on the reduction of pain in people working with polarity therapy and diabetes. There was a study back in, I think, the year 2000 at Stanford University, which was really looking at all the different mind-body studies and in relationship to elders. And what they found was that studying more about mind-body interactions like polarity therapy is really a high priority because it's very cost-effective, it's low cost, and it also has a real lack of negative side effects. So we're interested in doing more research, and in the meanwhile, these are some of the things that are very useful. one of the things I really like about Polarity is the fact that it expands your range of practice. So if you're working in other bodywork modalities, or in particular, or as a self-care method, it can be really useful because you can take it really everywhere. Polarity therapy is done with the client fully closed, and so I've done it in train stations, bus stations, airports, family dinners, yeah. And so it's particularly useful in stressful situations where people want to ground and relax and come back into their full core. So it's a very take it wherever you like kind of therapy, which I really appreciate.
Absolutely. And it works really in conjunction, as Amadea was mentioning, it works in conjunction with all different types of therapy, counseling, Ayurveda, yoga, right? Movement therapies, massage, absolutely, and can be incorporated into a chiropractic, acupuncture, anything that maybe you already do or you also have an interest in.
Another thing I like about our programs are the strong sense of camaraderie, and people in the massage program, people in the Polarity program get a chance to work with each other and on each other. And also our faculty is just very community-minded, and there's a lot of support between the staff, the faculty, and the students, which I really love about working here.
Yeah.